If you thought Trump was anti-crypto, think again. He's now the industry's newest champion. Donald Trump, once a vocal critic of cryptocurrency, has made a dramatic U-turn. At a recent Nashville conference, he declared his vision to make the United States the crypto capital of the planet, if re-elected. This shift is driven by increasing political donations from the crypto industry, which views Trump as a potential ally against strict regulations. Trump has promised to replace SEC Chair Gary Gensler, known for his tough stance on crypto, with someone more industry-friendly. This alliance is mutually beneficial. Trump gains financial support from wealthy crypto donors, while the industry sees him as a shield against regulatory hurdles. This move underscores the growing political clout of the crypto world, which is now pouring millions into political contributions to secure favorable policies. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a political observer, Trump's shift on cryptocurrency is setting the stage for a heated debate in the upcoming election. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding story. In his speech, Trump emphasized the need for the U.S. to lead in crypto innovation, suggesting tax incentives for crypto businesses and clearer regulations. He also hinted at potential partnerships with tech giants to bolster the crypto ecosystem. Following his speech, Bitcoin extended its gains, with traders optimistic about a more favorable regulatory environment. Experts suggest that traders should watch for policy changes and market reactions, as Trump's stance could significantly impact Bitcoin's future. Opinions are divided, with some praising Trump's vision for crypto growth, while others remain skeptical of his promises. As the story develops, traders and investors should stay informed and be prepared for potential market shifts. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding story and what it means for the future of Bitcoin and the crypto market. Bitcoin extends gains as Donald Trump prepares to address BTC traders at the Nashville conference. While Trump's bold proclamation to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet has certainly turned heads, the reaction from the crypto industry has been a mix of cautious optimism and outright enthusiasm. Industry leaders from top cryptocurrency firms, blockchain startups, and fintech companies have expressed their thoughts on social media and in interviews. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, tweeted, "Exciting times ahead. Looking forward to seeing how this unfolds for the crypto community." Meanwhile, Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, noted, "A supportive regulatory environment in the U.S. could be a game-changer for global crypto adoption." However, not everyone is convinced. Some experts argue that Trump's promises may be more about securing political donations than actual policy changes. Elizabeth Warren, a known critic of the crypto industry, voiced her concerns, stating, "We need to ensure that any regulatory changes protect consumers and prevent financial crimes." As the debate continues, the crypto market remains volatile. Bitcoin's price surged following Trump's speech, but analysts warn that the market could see significant fluctuations as more details about his plans emerge. Investors are advised to stay informed and keep an eye on policy developments. The crypto world is watching closely. Will Trump's new stance lead to a golden age for digital currencies, or is it just another political maneuver? Only time will tell. Stay tuned as we continue to track this developing story and its impact on the crypto market.